Hello and welcome. I'm Ankita.
And I'm Jamal.
And we are extremely excited and delighted to be your host for the day and feel pleasure in presenting an amazing and extraordinary event of the year. That is Global Teacher Award 2020 that recognizes excellence spread all across the world and significantly covers all eminent countries.
This year 2020 is a year of extreme, unexpected and unimaginable situation. For the first time in the last few decades, the entire world is in a grip of severe pandemic, which is devastating, disruptive, and has crippled every function and process of the world. It has affected each and every one, and in every part around the globe. None is spared, and none is left unaffected. However, there was one community that did not get deterred by the pandemic, the teaching community. Their passion and love for education and their students ensured that they carried on with zeal and enthusiasm to teach their students, albeit online, so that their students did not suffer and lag behind their studies. Meanwhile, beating all adversities, tearing apart all the difficult circumstances, instead of failing and falling, AKS Education Awards evolved itself and decided yet again to recognize the selfless service of the teaching community by proudly awarding them for their endeavors through the next edition of our most awaited award. Please welcome the third edition of Global Teacher Award 2020. Now join me in inviting our mentors for lamp lighting ceremony, Dr. Dinesh Kamra, Mr. Sarvesh Jagdish Raj, and Mr. Mahesh Kamra.
Namaste. I welcome all to the greatest show of the year on the universe, which is dedicated to the unstoppables. You have got it right, unstoppables, the teachers. The whole system of the world almost stopped, failed and ceased. But only one thing which did not stop was teaching. AKS Education Awards dedicates GTA 2020 to the unstoppable spirit of educators and educational institutions across the globe who maintained uninterrupted supply of their services even in the most dreadful situation. The teachers have proved that they are great learners and have become geeks overnight. The fighter spirit of educators made us not to stop but to continue the journey of appreciating educators, which we have done and have taken to the next level and have now grown bigger, better and beyond imaginations. Dear teachers, you have made us innovate and present to you what you really deserve. The GTA 2020 stands unparalleled as always. I congratulate the winners of Global Teacher Award 2020 for having successfully crossed the threshold and reached the milestone which every teacher aspires. Right? My friends, the journey of success has just begun and certainly have a positive, long-lasting impact on your life. Now, the question is, how you impact others around you. I would like to quote Henry Adams here. A teacher affects eternity. He never can tell where influence stops. The learnings during school always build your character and your future thereafter. And I believe with honor comes in responsibility. Right? Honor brings in responsibility. Responsibility of what? Responsibility of maintaining the habit of doing always best, of raising the bar of excellence for the self, and of maintaining and raising the esteem of Global Teacher Award. I wish the best of all heavens to all our extraordinary educators. May you grow richer in knowledge every passing moment of your life. Welcome to AKS Education Awards family. Thank you. Enjoy.
Well, congratulations to all the winners. Give them a huge round of applause. Mr. Shamal Al-Surai from Iraq.
Welcome there. My name is Shamal Al-Sarai. I am a computer teacher from Iraq. I work in Al-Sheikh Balasim Muhammad Al-Yasin School for Boys. I am very excited to get a Global Teacher Award. Thank God, AKS Education family and my friend Mr. Ahmed Saad.